Introduction to MOTOPRO software. First, download the software from the official website. After the software is installed, let's learn how to use MOTOPRO software correctly. Open the software. MOTOPRO needs to be connected to a 12 volts power supply when working. This is your software login account. Is the 12 volts power supply connected successfully? MOTOPRO software is mainly divided into 5 sections: chip, remote control reading, programmer function, data processing tool, OBD function, and upgrade. The chip or remote control is placed into the MOTOPRO induction coil, which can automatically identify the chip type. Yamaha keyless pin code reading. Honda keyless pin code read, unlock. Honda K59, K1 to pin code read. Suzuki keyless pin code reading. MT05 initialization function. Select the memory type and read the data. Read the data. Writing data. Load data. Save data. Select motorbike factory and controller memory type. Programmer function can directly read memory data and automatically save. Load memory data. Key programming. It supports adding keys and all keys lost, programming transponders and keyless. Supports writing new data to memory. The built-in wiring diagram can be viewed here. Transponder type prompt. Notice, read before programming the key to avoid risks. No need to dig holes, read data through OBD protocol. Mainly Piaggio basic version support. Triumph 46 chip mechanical key type module 25. The software will automatically upgrade. Show upgrade content. Device info display. Software and device version information. Basic version free use function. Which modules support authorization? If you have any questions, please leave a message.